Junior want to not be on my. I can't really see what did I miss. Ex-strippers.
So on today's episode, we are here to just do a window shopping and probably maybe purchase some few items. We need to get a flower pot as well, the bigger one, so if you see any of them for the living room. Oh, that's nice. They do clan as well. So you guys, you can purchase something that you know you can pay a full price today. So you pay in 3 different folds, which is not bad. A whole range of clocks. Oh, not look bad. Look at that. Yeah, the color looks so good. But it's a girly kind of stuff, so it can be somewhere around your makeup station or your bags or perfumes, those fragrance stuff. It will look good. So there's a lighthouse as well. It's on the jute fabric. The person who really did this has really tried.
Yeah, you know, people really like this Asian.
Who?
Like people
Yeah.
really like this Asian.
Yeah.
kind of style.
Yeah, but the person really tried because it entails a lot of work. So this is the normal jute sack that when you buy charcoal back home in Ghana. You recall it that? The person has done all
It
this
looks
one.
like a coffee sack.
Yeah, something like that. Hey, Santorini. This is one of the places I really want to visit with my missus. So I think we need to get something like this into our dining hall, so it will always remind you of the places you've been to. What do you think?
Not bad.
What's the price? £16.99.
Yeah, it's the same thing. If it was like connecting, would have bought.
Yeah,
we'll
but
get
we
two
can
of
get
that.
this, and probably maybe sometime we can come and get something else better.
Oopsie.
I think we also have a gold team, right?
Sure.
So much work.
Careful, baby.
It's good. It's nice.
This is nice.
Somewhere nice in the living room. Yeah. That one. No.
This is nice.
Yeah, this is giving. It's really giving.
You should get it for the guest toilet.
Yeah. Yes.
Rooms here. You hang in front of the door.
Yeah, it could be. Oh, it's not fitting. They're already ready for Halloween. We got a whole lot of bunch of stuff, man. This one looks crazy. These people are really over the roof. What? really looking for a big pot for an olive plant in the living room, but I'm not sure. I'll get something like that over here. I think I've seen this on TikTok. This is 2. That's also not bad. To run out quickly and get something to eat because I was really starving. So I think there's KFC around here together with a McDonald's. So I think I will do a McDonald's. Let's do it. Yep. Oh God. God, at this moment I couldn't wait any longer. I was so hungry.
One eternity later.
Yeah, back here. It took ages for me to grab my food and get in the car. I'm so hungry. This is so nice. I'm so greedy with food.
My dope is shining like a shell of diamonds. 19 for the whole thing. Walk up by the trap, nigga, it's bling bling. Jessica, if I owe you, I know I go pay. I know I be doing no, I know. Shakara.
I just returned and the shopping continues. Look at this one. Tea biscuits. Yes, it looks good and it's unique because I've not seen it anywhere. So if you want us to get it. I think we'll buy the one from Dulem. That one looks a bit better. It will match.
You see,
that's the
that's
same
the
thing.
color.
That's the same thing in
Exactly.
the room. So it will match. So I think I've done a good job by buying the same thing on Amazon. So I think it's coming in tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
It's not much different, but I think when the camera is on it here, this one looks very light.
Light, yeah.
And that one has got a bit of darkness in it.
What makes make your house?
You can pay there, but things that you are purchasing with Klarna, that's what you can pay over there. No.
So the seats mostly they are here, the flips them. See some of the seats
Yeah.
are there.
Was it Dulem we got the bedside light, right?
I've seen some big ones, very affordable.
Where in Dulem?
No, yeah. Very, very big ones.
The chandeliers also don't look bad.
Yeah, and it's cheap too. See, look at this one, it's £9. Can you imagine?
That one?
Yeah.
The square one?
Yeah, you can buy it for the dining. If not for the hall.
Okay.
See, £9.99.
It's not bad, yeah.
And the one beside it is £12.
£12. I think this one will be very good for the living room. big one.
You like it?
Yeah, it looks nice. These ones are huge. But we need to get the one for the living room as well. That long one. This is the type you want. This one. It's not bad. I'm going to the living room. So, decorative piece there, and there. This is the end of today's vlog. See you in the next video.